Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Acorn app on iPhone. Acorn is a popular investing app that helps you grow your money automatically by investing your spare change with features like roundups, automated investing and retirement accounts. Acorn make investing simple even for beginners, and in this guide I'll show you how to download and install Acorn app on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. First, you need to open to the app store over here, and on the bottom there's a search bar. Simply select the search bar and type down Acorn and search for it. And over here we can see there's an option for the Acorn's finance. Simply select to this Acorn box, and after that you can select the get option over here and then confirm using Face ID, Touch ID or the Apple ID password. Simply you need to double click to install on it, and that is it. The app will start being downloading automatically, and after the download finishes, Acorn install on its own. You can select tap open, or you can find the Acorn on your home screen, and after that you can sign in or create an account. And that is it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Acorn app on your iPhone. You're now ready to start investing automatically. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any comment or query, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.